Hello friends, welcome to my channel Trade with Guru. Today we are going to learn something very important. When I say important, it is important from all the aspects. What is the basic purpose of doing a trading? Trading is to make some money, to make some profits. So what is the opposite thing of making a profit? Making a loss. So what all you want to do? First of all, we want to minimize our losses as well as we want to increase our profits. So we will use this smart trading technology or smart trading. What is smart trading is the most important question. When I want to say that we will go with the smart trading, the first question what will arise is what is smart. So I will elaborate in this video what is smart trading. So first of all, whenever you are doing some trading, you should ask yourself some questions whether I am doing a smart trading or not. So let us start with the smart. S stands for specific. So what is specific? Are we doing some specific trading or are we trading with only the tips which we are getting? It is as well, everybody is using this phrase saying that tips is for server, not for the traders. So we are traders. So are we doing a specific trading? Are we specific about the trade which we take, or because we are traders and we should trade, so 9:15 market opens, we start trading? That should not happen. We should be very specific about which trade we want to take and which trade we don't want to take, where we should enter, where we should exit. All these things are called as a specific trading. So we should be very specific before taking any trade. This is S. Then comes the M. M is for measurable. Is it a measurable? Whatever trade we are taking, are we taking with some measurement? Like, okay, this trade I am taking. In this trade, what is my risk? Risk is defined. Okay, my risk is 500 rupees. What will be my reward ratio? Whether my reward is more than 1000 rupees or not. This is what 1:2 risk to reward ratio. Whether it is not there 1:2 risk reward ratio, then there is no use of taking a trade. So it should be measurable that where I am taking a trade, what is my risk and what is my reward ratio. If we are not taking any risk and reward ratio, we don't have in our mind what is risk and what is the reward. It is not measurable. We know we want to make some profit, but what is some? It should be defined. It should be measurable. If that is not measurable, then it is of no use. The second part which I would like to highlight is measurable. It should be very much measurable. Then the third thing is A. A stands for achievable. Okay, I am sure that I am taking a specific trade. It is a measurable also that I want to make some profit. I want to make, suppose for example, 10,000 rupees profit or 1 lakh rupees profit or 10 lakh rupees profit. But whether it is achievable with the quantity which we are trading, with the trend which is going on, whether it is a bullish, bearish or neutral trend, whatever trend, whether it is achievable or not, that should be the question. If I take a trade, suppose today market is trading at 18,000 rupees and tomorrow is the expiry, and if I expect that I will I have a 10 lots, 500 into it will move 500 points and I'll get around 2.5 lakh rupees. That is not possible, because you should understand in a market, when you are doing some basic studies, how much the market can move, in which direction it is moving, what is your risk, what is your ratio. All these things are defined, predefined. You should understand this and then you should trade. Whether it is achievable or not is the most important question. I have invested 1 lakh rupees and I want to earn 1 lakh rupees in a month. Whether it is achievable or not. Why all the people they define all these things? Because it is the most important part of a trading. Whether it is achievable or not is important. Then comes R. R is stand for realistic. Whether it is realistic, just ask yourself a question whether it is realistic or not. If I say I have invested 1 lakh rupees and within a span of 1 year I will be a crorepati, I will have 1 crore rupees in my account, I will make that much of profit. Is it realistic? No. It is measurable, but is it realistic? No. So it should be a realistic question. And the next question, last question comes, the last point is time bound. T for time bound. Most of people, they say there is something new concept called as a time stop loss. You might have heard about time stop loss from so many people. What is time stop loss? Time stop loss is something like I have taken a trade at 9:15 and it is not moving in my direction. Let us wait. If you are trading with a 5-minute chart and next 3 to 4 candles, if it is not moving in your direction, you should exit. That is what is a time bound trading. So we should ask ourselves a question. Whenever we are trading, we should ask ourselves a smart question and we should give a smart answer, whether it is specific, measurable, achievable, realistic and time bound. With the help of this smart trading system which we have created, it will definitely help you to minimize your losses and maximize your profit. I hope you will follow through all these things and you will continue with making a good profit. Thank you.